Welcome to your Smart Brain channel. Today, I bring you a new video. I invite you to subscribe to the channel and like the video, because that way you're helping us grow more and more. Look at the exercise. 4 multiplied by 4, divided by 4, multiplied by 8. You have to be very careful here, because many people do this exercise wrong. Make mistakes, rush, and be hasty. Don't rush. You have to know the rules of the game, and what the rules of the game are, which are important in this exercise. They are the hierarchy of operations. Look, I know that multiplication and division have the same hierarchy, but when we have the same hierarchy, I have to go from left to right. That is, I have to go as it appears in the operations. Then I have to do 8, then multiply it by 4, then divide it by 4, and multiply it by 8. So you have to be very careful. An incorrect way is to do this. Look, 8 times 4, 32. And here for times 8, 32. 32 between 32. Answer letter and 1. And that is wrong. You're going to make a mistake if you do that. Many people are going to take a test, are going to take an exam, mark the letter, think they did the exercise well. And in reality, they did it wrong, and they get frustrated. It is not like that, so we go very carefully, here from left to right. 8 times 4, this is 32. Then I have 32 divided by 4, multiplied by 8. I continue going from left to right, 32 divided by 4. How much is 8 multiplied by 8? Now, yes, 8 times 8, 64. So the answer is not the letter A. That problem was leading you into error. It was leading you to make mistakes. Answer 64, letter C. Excellent. Okay, let's solve this equation. Look, 2x over 3 is equal to x minus 1 over 3. Let's solve this equation, which is very easy to do. So, you have to pause the video and try to do it preferably mentally, because it's very easy. Write your answer in the comments. After the video, we'll see how many people got this exercise right. Okay, let's solve it. Look how easy it is. I'm going to show you a trick. The trick is the following. When I have a fraction of this type, a between b and here, c between b, and the denominators are the same, I can eliminate them. Easy, right? Very well. So you're trying to tell me that I can eliminate these denominators because they are equal. Exactly that. Then 2x between 3 equals x minus 1 between 3. These 3 can be eliminated. But you also taught us that we could also cross multiply. Is that valid? Of course, the result will be exactly the same. So what was left here? Because we were choosing the fastest way, above was 2x, and here was x minus 1. This x, which is adding, will go to the other member. Then we will have here 2x minus x, and here we have minus 1, where from 2x minus x is x equal to minus 1, which is the answer to our exercise. Then we're going to mark the answer, which is the letter C, having solved the exercise. Solve this equation that says 1 over x equals 2 over 3. What are the alternatives we have here? Let's see. Alternative A is 1.4, B is 1.5, C is 1.7, or letter D is 2.5. What will the answer be? A, B, C, or D? Now what you have to do is pause the video, try the exercise, and write your answer in the comments. Because after the video, I go to the comments and see who got it right or wrong. Welcome to a new video on your channel, Smart Brain. Okay, let's solve this exercise. Here we have to apply a very simple definition, which says, if we cross multiply, the equality holds. What am I trying to tell you with that? Look, the rule says the following. If I have a divided by b equals c over d, if I multiply crosswise, the equality holds. That is, a times d equals c times d. That's what the rule says, and we're going to use this definition to be able to do this exercise. Look, I have 1 times 3. 1 times 3 equals 2 times x. Okay, so what do I have here? 1 times 3 is 3 equals 2x. So I have 2x equals 3. Solving for the value of x. This 2 that's multiplying here will become dividing. So, 3 times 2, and you know perfectly well that 3 times 2 is 1.5, which is precisely the answer to our exercise. Answer letter D, and you're going to mark that option. Thank you very much for watching this video. I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with others.